Hi guys, this is Debojyoti here and this is a short overview video of BEHROUZ Biriyani, which opened its new outlet at Behala near my house. BEHROUZ Biriyani is making quite a buzz in the city right now. So what are you waiting for? Come, let's eat. Basically, after Kabuliwala, BEHROUZ has been the buzz of the town as far as food delivery from Swiggy, Zomato or Uber Eats is concerned. So I couldn't control my curiosity. As far as branding and packaging is concerned, it has a royal look to it. The cost of regular Dum Gosht Shahi Biryani is 400 rupees. The black and golden elegant box contained basic cutlery like spoon, napkin and a mouth freshener, along with mirchi ka salan. And you can choose either mirchi ka salan or mint raita. I have chosen for the mirchi ka salan, which is basically a concoction of different types of chilies and spices. They also provide one gulab jamun in the box, irrespective of any variant of biryani you buy. The box is incredibly well packed, and as far as presentation is concerned, I will rate it 10 out of 10. Inside the box we have another box which holds the biryani. As soon as you open the box, wow will be the word that you will utter because of the magic in its aroma. It's just the royal treat to the taste bud, as generous amounts of finely chopped thin slices of almonds, pistachios and cashews along with raisins could be found on the top of the rice. And as we dig deep in, we can see small boneless chunks of mutton pieces which had a mouth-watering aroma. The mutton pieces were very succulent, and the boneless mutton pieces is really unique, which makes it different from other typical biryani. The regular size is for one person, but the king size is sufficient for 2 persons and costs 680 rupees. It comes in a similar packaging, except here you get 2 mint raitas or mirchi ka salan, whatever you select, along with 2 gulab jamuns. But as far as the taste and the quality is concerned, it's same, just the quantity is double over here. The box contained 20 small sized chicken koftas, which tasted nice and delicious, but not as fabulous as the biryani, but all over it tasted nice. The koftas were very soft and had a mild spicy flavor due to the use of different North Indian herbs and spices, and it tasted nice. The biryani was highly aromatic. The flavors were perfect, hinting at the Persian essence on the rice. It was not over spicy nor very light, and had the perfect balance of different herbs and spices, and had a very unique taste than the typical biryanis. And the boneless mutton pieces are a treat in itself. It was simply fantastic. The mint raita had exceptionally good taste, and the mouth freshener had a nice bitternet flavor to it. So if you are a biryani lover, you can give BEHROUZ a try. And comment down your experiences below. Thanks for making me a part of your day. So if you have enjoyed this video for whatsoever reason, consider hitting the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you never miss another update from this channel. And also follow me at Zomato and Instagram, as I post the pictures of food photography over there. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.